fix Facebook keep loading. Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly in the open apps option. Here on apps option, search for Facebook only. When you found it, you have to open it like this, scroll down the screen and click on storage. Now on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click now on first stop and click also OK, and now go to this option, set as a default, and make sure that this option here, open supported links, it's allowed, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.